The J-35 and the F-35 Lightning II are both fifth-generation stealth fighter jets developed by China and the United States, respectively. While they share similarities due to their stealth-focused designs, they differ significantly in technology, performance, and strategic roles. Which fighter jet is better? Let's find it out. Design and variants. F-35 Lightning II. United States. Manufacturer. Lockheed Martin. Variants. 3 variants tailored for different roles. F-35A. Conventional takeoff and landing for the U.S. Air Force and allies. F-35B. Short takeoff and vertical landing for the U.S. Marine Corps and others. F-35C. Carrier-based with catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery CATO bar for the U.S. Navy. Design, single-engine multi-role fighter with advanced stealth, optimized for global interoperability and deep strike missions. Features a blended wing-body design, canted vertical stabilizers, and radar-absorbent materials for a low radar cross-section (RCS) of Airbus 10215 M2. J-35 manufacturer, Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. And it has 2 variants, J-35A, land-based for the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLF-35. Carrier-based for the People's Liberation Army Navy, planned designed for CATO bar operations on carriers like the Type 003 Fujian. Design, twin-engine, multi-role stealth fighter evolved from the FC-31 prototype. Features a conventional tailplane design, slightly angular wings, and a smoother airframe with fewer seams for reduced RCS. Likely has a slightly higher RCS than the F-35 due to its twin-engine configuration and less mature stealth technology. Stealth capabilities of F-35 utilizes advanced radar-absorbent materials, specialized canopy coatings, and a faceted design with aligned edges to minimize RCS. Its infrared signature is reduced via a divertless supersonic inlet and tailored exhaust nozzles. The F-35's stealth is battle-tested and considered the gold standard, with extensive refinements over years. J-35 employs stealth geometry and radar-absorbent materials, with a design focused on low observability. However, its twin-engine setup may produce a larger infrared signature, and its stealth technology is less proven, potentially resulting in a slightly higher RCS than the F-35. Performance of F-35 engine. Single Pratt & Whitney F-35 turbofan, producing 19 tons of thrust. Speed, Mach 1.6, optimized for stealth and versatility, rather than high-speed performance. Combat radius. 2,200 km. F-35A, 160 km. F-35C. Maneuverability. Balanced for stealth and multi-role operations, less agile than air superiority fighters like the F-22. J-35. Engines, twin WS-19 turbofans or RD-93 and prototypes producing 21 tons of thrust combined. Speed, Mach 1.8 to 2.2, offering a slight edge in high-speed interception. Combat radius, 1,200 kilometers, suited for regional operations. Maneuverability. More angular wings suggest better agility, tailored for air superiority and regional defense. Avionics and sensors F-35, equipped with the AN/APG-81 or next-generation AN/APG-85 AESA radar. Distributed aperture system DAS and advanced sensor fusion for unmatched situational awareness. Its networked capabilities allow real-time data sharing with allied forces, making it a force multiplier. J-35 features Chinese-developed AESA radar and an electro-optical targeting system, EOTS, similar to the F-35's, mounted under the nose. While advanced, its avionics are less integrated and likely lag behind the F-35 in sensor fusion and global interoperability. Payload and armament F-35. Internal payload, 160 kg, including AIM-120 air-to-air missiles, JDAM bombs, and GBU-53B Stormbreaker glide bombs. The F-35A also has a 25 more Gatling gun. External payload, non-stealth mode, up to 18,000 pounds. J-35, internal payload, 7,000 kilograms, including up to 6 PL-15 air-to-air missiles, longer range than the AIM-120 but less advanced in some aspects. External payload, up to 28,000 kilos maximum takeoff weight, though this compromises stealth. No internal gun reported. Strategic role and deployment, 35. Designed for global force projection, deep strike missions, and interoperability with NATO and allied forces. Used by multiple nations with a mature production line and extensive operational experience. Focuses on multi-role operations including air-to-air, air-to-ground, electronic warfare and ISR intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and J-35, optimized for regional defense, particularly in the Indo-Pacific, supporting China's A2AD anti-access area denial strategy. Intended for both PLAF and PLAN, with carrier operations on the Fujian. Still in development, with limited operational data. Potential export variant, J-35E to compete with the F-35 in the global market. Production and cost, F-35 mature production with over 1,000 units delivered globally. Flyaway costs, 2024. 82.5M F-35A, 109M F-35B, 12.1M F-35C. Criticized for high development costs and delays, but benefits from economies of scale and allied investment. J-35, still in development with fewer units produced. Likely cheaper than the J-20, aimed at higher production numbers. Exact costs are unclear, but Chinese state media suggest affordability for export markets. Uses advanced manufacturing techniques like 3D printing to reduce costs. Controversy and espionage. The J-35's visual similarity to the F-35 has fueled speculation of espionage, with reports of Chinese cyber attacks in 2014 stealing F-35 design data. However, similarities may also result from convergent evolution, as stealth designs share common features, e.g., edge alignment, internal weapon bays. The extent of copied technology remains unconfirmed, but the J-35's internal systems are likely distinct due to China's indigenous development. Key takeaways: F-35. Strengths: superior stealth, advanced avionics, sensor fusion, global interoperability, and proven operational history. Best suited for multi-role, long-range missions in contested environments. J-35 strengths: potentially higher speed and agility, twin-engine reliability for carrier operations, and lower cost for regional and export markets. Optimized for China's A2AD strategy. Which is better? The F-35 currently holds an edge due to its mature technology, battle-tested stealth, and superior electronics. The J-35, while promising, is less proven and likely lags in sensor integration and stealth refinement. However, the J-35's lower cost and regional focus make it a credible competitor, especially for carrier-based operations in the Indo-Pacific. Thanks for watching video.